Hello, my name is Andreas, and in this video you will learn what money management is and how to apply it. In its broader sense, money management is a tactic traders follow to safeguard the well-earned profits. They aim to limit the risk of their portfolios while potentially maximizing their returns. Essentially, money management is the aspect of trading that directly influences your gains, thus makes it a crucial function to a successful trader strategy. In fact, according to studies, almost 90% of the divergence in a trader's performance is due to improper application of money management techniques. Having a solid trading plan alone cannot guarantee success. However, when proper money management techniques are applied, the chances of success stack in your favor. Although it is not complicated, it requires vast amount of discipline. The basic elements of money management are: first, create a plan that suits your trading style and stick to it. Second, smart allocation of funds per trade is super important. Third, placing a stop-loss order for each trade significantly decreases the risk of oversized losses. Fourth, avoid trading highly correlated instruments, as this can increase your risk exposure. Lastly, define the maximum amount to risk in a specific period of time. So, the question is, what amount of risk should you take? According to experienced traders, you should never risk more than 1 to 3% of your total equity per trade. Even though placing higher stakes may in theory yield more profits, it can also leave you exposed to more downside. However, try to adopt a more cautionary approach at first and build up from there onwards. It is true that each trader sees risk in a different way. Therefore, creating a customized plan according to your risk tolerance is desirable and more appropriate for your trading strategy. To summarize, it is important to keep your risk small, follow the plan, and remember to take one trade at a time. Thank you for watching. More educational videos will follow. Stay tuned.